today we're going to show you how to make a very elegant gift basket. We're going to go through the steps one by one of what kinds of basket to choose, what materials to put into our basket. So we're going to choose the different types of fruits to put in. We're going to be using dried fruits today. We will choose the different types of nuts that we should be putting in. We're going to choose the different types of chocolates that we're putting in. We're going to show you how to choose appropriate bottle of wine for the gift that we're giving. We're going to choose the different types of ribbons. There are many different selections, different colors, different sizes that we could use, different types of ribbon that we could use, and we're going to show you how to coordinate so that an empty basket turns into a beautiful gift. So the nice thing about baskets is that baskets come in all different shapes, all different sizes, and you can really make the basket for anything that you want, anywhere from a simple birthday gift for a child to a little baby gift for a baby, or you can make a big elegant basket for corporate occasions, for a business gift, for anything. And by the time we finish today, we'll be able to give you the skills that you can make any type of basket for any type of occasion, and enjoy.